Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the world's famous and super delicious ube, also known as Filipino purple yam. This is great any time of the year and a perfect addition to your holiday desserts. I guarantee you everyone's going to be asking for the recipe. Before we begin, do me a favor. Please hit the subscribe and like buttons below and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on new delicious recipes to try. This will also allow us to continue to share our family's favorite recipes. Thank you for your support. We begin by peeling and cutting the purple yam into medium-sized chunks. We then add enough water to cover. We put the lid on and bring the water to a boil. After that, we reduce the heat to low to medium heat and boil them until they're soft. Check for softness every few minutes. So far, our yams are not quite ready, so we're going to keep boiling them and we're going to keep checking every few minutes. Finally, our yams are ready. We're now going to transfer them into a blender and we're going to blend them into two separate batches. Next, we're going to add 1 can of coconut milk and puree it. Next, we're going to add 2 cans of condensed milk. Finally, we're adding 1 cup of white granulated sugar. We're going to keep stirring while it simmers until everything is well combined. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you can get notified of new delicious recipes that you can try. This will also help the algorithm for YouTube to suggest other channels with similar content that may benefit you. At this point, we're going to add the butter, which is going to give it a very nice creamy flavor. We're adding Ube-flavored food coloring to give it a richer purple color. I usually add 2 drops because I prefer a deeper tone of purple on my ube since it looks more appetizing in my opinion. But feel free to adjust the amount of food coloring depending on the color you're trying to achieve. We're going to keep stirring constantly until the mixture thickens. It also prevents it from burning. This is probably the hardest part of the entire process, so it is going to require some muscle and patience on your part, but it's all going to be worth it in the end. Now that the mixture has thickened, we're going to transfer the mixture into the molds. Once they're in the molds, we're going to let them cool off for at least 30 minutes at room temperature. Then we're going to put them in the fridge where we will leave them for a couple of hours before serving. Introducing our delicious ube. It is so good, it literally melts in your mouth. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click on one of the thumbnails on the screen. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can follow our channel. And if you enjoy our videos, click the like button. Thank you so much and happy cooking!